Prevent clogs in your kitchen sink with this stainless steel strainer set. Designed for daily use, the micro-perforated holes allow liquids to flow through while catching food particles. With a rust-free design, they're built to last, providing effective and long-lasting protection against plumbing issues. Make composting simple with this eco-friendly electric composter. App connectivity allows you to track waste, set schedules, and monitor your carbon footprint from any location. It uses carbon filters to eliminate odors, while its user-friendly touch interface and auto-clean features streamline maintenance. Quiet operation makes it perfect for overnight use without disturbance. Organize plush toys creatively with this charming stuffed animal storage hammock. Made from high-quality cotton, it's a durable, eco-friendly solution that fits seamlessly into any room. The macrame design adds a fun bohemian touch, turning toy storage into an adorable and practical decoration. Keep your fruits and veggies fresh with this handy storage container set. Crafted from food-grade, durable materials, the containers are freezer-safe and easy to clean. Removable colanders allow you to rinse produce before storage, while an airtight lid with a silicone ring seal and reinforced snaps keeps odors and dust out. Your produce stays fresh and delicious. This compact Bluetooth label maker easily fits in your pocket, enabling convenient printing on the go. Utilizing direct thermal technology, it provides clear prints without ink or toner. With a rechargeable battery, it's perfect for prolonged use and supports black text printing. Compatible with both iOS and Android via an app, it offers user-friendly customization, complete with diverse templates and font options. Beat night sweats with this innovative cooling pillow designed for optimal comfort while you sleep. Its advanced double-sided cover includes one silky side that adjusts temperatures by about 4 to 9 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring you stay cool and dry all night. Plus, this design balances softness and firmness, relieving neck and shoulder tension for a refreshing sleep. These durable towel clips are crafted to keep items securely in place. They feature inner grip teeth and a strong clamping force to prevent towels, clothes, and other items from slipping. Made from sturdy ABS plastic with a carbon steel spring, they excel in humid areas like bathrooms. Great for home, garden, or travel, these clips are incredibly versatile. This spin mop and bucket system brings clean, fresh water to every mopping session. Featuring an innovative design, it removes dirt and over 99% of bacteria using just water, keeping your floors spotless. The foot pedal lets you control the water amount, adding convenience to cleaning. Plus, the microfiber mop heads are machine washable, making repeated use hassle-free. This powerful electric spin scrubber offers a thorough clean with 3 adjustable speeds. A smart display shows battery level and power mode, alerting you when it's time for a recharge. Its 50-inch handle and 45-degree angled brush head make it easy to clean floors and walls without straining, allowing for effortless reach and convenience. This plug-in air freshener kit keeps your space smelling fresh with ease. Including 2 scented oil refills, it maintains first-day freshness for up to 50 days. With a classic scent, it combats odors automatically. The low-level indicator light reminds you to refill, ensuring a continuous pleasant aroma without any surprises. Enjoy pure, fresh water with this countertop filter that's easy to use and requires no plumbing or installation. Just plug it in, fill the borosilicate glass carafe, and let it work, preventing secondary pollution. It's energy efficient, automatically switching to standby mode when not in use, and recycles leftover water for other tasks. This set of under-cabinet lights offers convenient motion sensor illumination for dark spaces like closets. They feature a rechargeable battery, charging fully in just 2 hours via any USB device. With a remote, you can adjust brightness across 4 levels and set timers for auto-off at 10, 30, 60, or 120 minutes, ensuring energy savings and convenience. Bring order to your workspace with this monitor memo board, designed for efficient organization. The set includes 2 pieces that stick to each side of your monitor, holding sticky notes, business cards, or even a phone. Made from clear acrylic, it's durable and complements your decor. Installation is simple, just peel, stick, and organize without a trace. This garment steamer is designed for fast, effective wrinkle removal, heating up in only 20 seconds. It's user-friendly for both beginners and pros, making garment care effortless. Safe for various fabrics like clothes, curtains, and furniture, this versatile tool brings convenience to your household essentials, providing wrinkle-free results with ease. Eliminate odors with this stainless steel soap, ideal for removing smells like garlic and onions from your hands. Just rub it under running water. It works like soap without lathering. Dishwasher safe for easy cleaning, though hand washing is fine too. The metal's negative charge neutralizes odors, giving you fresh smelling hands every time.